It's always a pleasure to come to San Piero Arsive and visit our friends at Caire up in the Tuscan Hills. And since lockdown, we've all been embedded in our places at work to find new solutions and new ideas. And Caire always stretch it one louder. This time they've teamed up with a well-known Italian manufacturer who were known for road vehicles, mainly in transportation and emergency vehicles, called Simai. They've taken the concert to the streets because obviously with COVID-19 and restrictions, no one's allowed indoors to watch the concert. So, thanks to Caire and Simai, the concert's come to the streets. Let's speak to Stefano and Andrea indoors and see how they engineered this solution.
We were thinking to build a new experiment together with Simai, so we were looking for an Italian company ready to produce a cricket together with us. So we asked them to build an electric tractor that should have been a kind of music electric vehicle. We have simply drawn inspiration from Gemini cricket, the talking crickets, the same one that speaks to Pinocchio, impersonating the voice of conscience, wisdom and common sense, but also the inner voice, the one that leads to deeper, more intimate reflections.
With the cricket, we had a couple of challenges. To have to reproduce a live orchestra in classical music, we have an audience really demanding. They want to feel the sound really natural. So that was the first really big challenge. And then we had to go outdoors in the middle of the city, through different roads. You have to reproduce all the dynamics of an orchestra. And also we have to through a long distance the sound, because we want to engage the more audience we could. So the idea was at the time to take our most powerful portable system. So the choice was to have a KRX802 on board. Is an axle system, but of course the power had to be changed because we had batteries for cars, so we need to mount and install 3 different converters with 3 different batteries, one for each system and one more for video equipment, because we were broadcasting the video shooting inside the theater that was empty.
The 1st of August, we were driving 2 crickets around the city of Florence with the KRA setup on board, together with video on board, and we were streaming a concert played by the Teatro Verdi in Florence, so it was a closed-door event, and we were streaming the concert towards the 2 crickets going around the city.
We had to convert a traditional concert, a classical music concert, into a street parade.